In this video, I'll be unboxing the Beats Solo Buds so you get a better idea what's included in the box and what's not included. So let's get started right away. So once we open the box from the top, we get this small tab we need to pull, and there is nothing else in the box. We'll set this aside. And over here, let's open this, and we have the case with the actual earbuds. It's very small. This is definitely one of the most compact case I ever seen for wireless earbuds. Once you open it, you get a small chime, and then you have to remove them one by one and remove this paper label that is stuck on them. Okay, so I'll do this like that. The case is very slim because it does not have any battery integrated in it. To recharge them, you absolutely have to connect the cable over here while the earbuds are inside to be able to actually charge them. The good news is that their battery life is up to 18 hours. Otherwise, in this very small package, if we turn it around, we're gonna have another box over here that if we open up, we're gonna see some additional ear tips for them. They come with the medium size pre-installed, because this is what most people will actually use. But you also have over here extra small, small, and a pair of large ear tips in case these fits you better. Apart that, we also have a small manual over here and documentations. We get a Beat sticker and a small pamphlet here with some warnings. As you may notice, these does not come with any sort of charging cable in the box. Many brands start doing this. Beats are not the only one, Apple as well, and other ones too. So which cable do you need to recharge them? Well, it's a USB Type-C. If you have a modern smartphone, you probably already have this cable over here. All the new iPhones, all Android smartphones, even a MacBook is charging using this cable. You just have to plug it in the back and the other end in a charger and wait until they are completely charged. With 5 minutes of charging, you can get up to 1 hour of music. So this is quite great if you're in a rush and simply has 5 minutes to charge them. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful. If so, please give a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.